Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how you can integrate Calendly to Squarespace, and this is actually very simple. So the first step is head over to Squarespace and then click on the page where that you would like to edit or add Calendly to. After that, you're going to click on edit and then you need to add a code block. So in Calendly, you're going to go and you're going to retrieve your embed code by following these steps, and then you're going to paste that code snippet that you just copied from Calendly. And if it does not still display after doing it, then what you need to do is head over to settings, into advanced, and under code injection you could just copy paste this thing, which you can find in the official Calendly integration with a Squarespace website on Google, and click on save, and there you go. This is how you can do it. I hope that helped you. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And until then, take care.